Hey, in this video, I'm going to walk through embedding your login mode toolset. So this is really where the magic happens. This is where you turn your AI tools into a seamless, monetizable experience for your users. So once you have login mode activated, your toolset basically it's going to function as it was before, except now your users must sign up and pay before accessing. So in order to get it in front of your users, you're probably likely going to need to embed it on a existing website. Um, I don't recommend sharing the raw Formize link just because we really do want to promote that white label brand and we want you guys to really take credit for everything. So in this case, I have this tool set embedded in a Go High Level landing page. And I'm going to show you just exactly how I did this. So I'm going to go back into my Formize dashboard and I'm going to go into my tool sets and I'm going to find this Brewery OS toolset. So here it is. I have login mode activated. I have the tools in there, and it's going to open up the tool set in a raw link. You probably already have it in a raw link in your browser, and you're probably working on it through here. The very next step you want to do is after you've again customized everything, you've set up your plans, you've set up the descriptions for the tools, all the icons, all that good stuff. You want to make sure you go to share. And in here, this is where you can copy the embed code. Now, what I recommend here, depending on where you're going to be embedding it, you might want to adjust the height here a little bit, give it a little bit more height and padding, especially if your tools are going to spit out very large outputs. So in this scenario, I'm literally just going to copy the embed code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Go High Level account. Now, again, you don't have to use Go High Level. You can embed this anywhere. Any website builder works. WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, any website builder that allows you to embed things, which is most of them, is going to let you embed a tool set. So in this case, I'm just going to open up the website builder here because, again, the principle applies really for any website builder. You're going to need a code block or a code element inside of your specific page. So if you're building a page, you likely have something called a code element. So I have my code element on here already, but all I did was I grabbed this and I dragged and dropped it. And there it is. So again, in this case, I don't need two code elements. I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to delete the right one. I'm going to delete the right one. So I have my code element in here. I dragged and dropped it. If I go to the open code editor, I pasted my toolset already in here. I don't need to repaste it again, but you'll paste it in there. And you notice here how I have my width at 100%. You might want to also try that if you have other elements inside of the page that the toolset's being embedded on. What I mean by that is you want to make sure that the toolset is the most important thing on that page. It's okay if you decide to embed videos above or below, especially if they're tutorial videos or you have links for maybe your course or your support docs or back to your other parts of your portal. But you do want to give the toolset space to breathe. So it really just comes down like really do that. So the only thing I would adjust here is the height. Again, the height can be 100% as well, or you can give it 1200 pixels to give it even more breathing. You embed your tool. Again, we don't really encourage people to just share the actual raw link. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the gist. It's pretty easy to copy and paste and embed and start sharing it with your tools. It should be mobile friendly as well. The embed code is already responsive and mobile optimized. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please open a support ticket or let us know in our Facebook group. Thanks.